When working in Google Docs, there is a great feature that you may be unaware of. It's a magical button called Explore. It's in the lower right-hand corner of your Google Docs, and when your mouse hovers over it, you'll see the title Explore. And even if you resize your window, it remains in that lower right-hand portion. When I click on Explore, it provides basically a Google search page within my document. And so if I were to conduct a search, it's just like being in Google, but right within your document. Brings up the results, and you also have the category of web images or going to your drive. So this is a great feature, and especially great for students who want to illustrate their documents. So if I were to click on images, it's going to bring up bunny rabbits because that's what this document's about. So let's find a cute bunny rabbit. Here's a couple right here. I can literally just drag and drop that image into my document and it loads it. It's generally oh, those are cute. It's pretty a large image. So when I click once on it to select it, I have the ability to use the drag handles to resize it then proportionately. And also, when I first click it, it also gives me the citation information, which we need to teach students about, that photos always belong to somebody, generally speaking. I can also wrap the text around it. I can break the text, whatever I'd like to do. When I wrap it, that means I can move the document around and the photo around the text will automatically wrap around it. And again, I can resize it. There's also always attached a little rotation button. So if I wanted to rotate those bunnies and put them upside down, I could do that. So that's a nifty feature. Going back over here, if I go to the web, another nice feature that this Explore button allows is if I were doing research and I wanted to add a footnote, it gives me these particular search results, and you'll notice that next to each one, as I hover my mouse over, there's quotation marks. And right at the very top where it says web results, there's 3 dots. I could specify a generally accepted and commonly used format, which I'll use APA. It's the most universally used. And then when I click on those quotation marks, it automatically adds in the correct format the footnote for that source. I could continue adding those, and it keeps building my footnotes in the correct source. So this is a great feature, especially for those students who are learning to do research properly. And I can close that little side panel and have access to my full document. That's it.